This is John with Cruising Addicts. Today we're going to review the Amber Cove and Tano Bay Dune Buggy Tour short excursion from Viator. Sit back and enjoy the video, hit that thumbs up button, and subscribe to our channel for more cruise content. Happy sailing! We took the Amber Cove and Tano Bay Dune Buggy Tour excursion from Viator while on an Eastern Caribbean cruise on Carnival Magic. Pricing starts at $126 per group of up to 2 persons, and this excursion lasts for about 4 hours long. The excursion includes pickup and drop off from the cruise port and bottled water. This excursion is not wheelchair accessible, is not recommended for travelers with back problems or pregnant travelers, but most travelers can participate. No license or special skills are required to drive, and all buggies are safe and easy to operate. Be advised that you will get extremely dirty and wet on this excursion. There are public showers at the excursion office that you can use to rinse off at the end of the excursion. We recommend wearing old clothes that you don't mind getting dirty or stained, and taking sunglasses or off-road goggles and a bandana or neck gaiter to protect your mouth and nose from the dust and mud. Lockers are provided to store your belongings, but if you decide to bring them with you, we recommend a dry bag that is waterproof. This fun small group Dune Buggy Tour picks you up at Amber Cove Cruise Port or Tano Bay Cruise Port, making it an ideal short excursion for cruisers. Your guide will take you to the town of Monte Llano in the Puerto Plata province to get in your dune buggy for your adventure. This ride is an exciting one, but one that's very dusty and muddy. As you cruise on your dune buggy, you will be able to take in views of the natural scenery of the Dominican mountains and countryside. Your group will stop at Bargantin Beach for a short swim. We'll also have a stop at a shopping village and can take a break shopping or get a bite to eat. We enjoyed this excursion, and it was a fun way to explore the Dominican Republic. Our guide was friendly and accommodating. We would give this excursion an 8 out of 10 and would recommend it if you're looking for something fun and exciting to do while exploring the Dominican Republic at an affordable price. We will include a link to book this excursion in the video description, as well as links to other Amber Cove short excursions. We hope you enjoy the remainder of this video of our experience on the Amber Cove and Tano Bay Dune Buggy Tour short excursion, and if you did, please click that thumbs up button. Subscribe to our channel for more cruise content and check out our website cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing!
cruise ship. Over here. Get the beach.
É o que diz que vai comer.
Ai, mas o Diego Maria.
Senhor Maria. É patrão, senhor Maria.
Muito barato, hein? Eu vou dizer.
Outra mão.
Agora me passa ali.
Aonde que vai levar no colégio? Vamos, Léo.